Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 30 Days Spoken English Challenge. In this challenge, we will practice daily life English questions. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly and repeat after me. Let's start today's practice. How are you today? What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Are you a student? Do you live with your family? What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? Do you take breakfast daily? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you go to work or school? How do you go there? What do you do in the afternoon? Do you use a mobile phone daily? What do you do in the evening? Do you watch TV or use YouTube? What is your favorite food? Do you like tea or coffee? Who is your best friend? Do you help your family at home? What do you do at night? What time do you sleep? Do you speak English every day? Why do you want to learn English? Great job! You have completed day 1 of the 30 Days Spoken English Challenge. Practice these questions every day. See you tomorrow with day 2. Keep speaking and keep improving.